5 things you wish you knew before starting an online job. 1. The importance of self-discipline and time management. One of the biggest challenges of online work is maintaining self-discipline and managing your time effectively. Without a structured office environment, it's crucial to set clear boundaries, establish a routine, and create a dedicated workspace. 2. The need for effective communication skills. In the realm of online jobs, effective communication becomes paramount. Enhancing your written and verbal communication skills will enable you to articulate your messages clearly, collaborate effectively with colleagues, and build strong professional relationships. 3. The power of networking in the digital world. Networking is not limited to in-person events. Building a robust online network can open doors to new job opportunities, collaborations, and invaluable support and guidance throughout your online job journey. 4. The need for continuous learning and adaptability. The online job landscape is ever evolving, with new technologies, trends, and market demands constantly emerging. This proactive approach will enable you to stay ahead, remain competitive, and thrive in the dynamic online job market. 5. The importance of self-care and work-life integration. Online work can blur the lines between work and personal life, leading to burnout and decreased well-being if not managed properly. Remember, a balanced and fulfilled life outside of work positively impacts your performance and overall happiness.